Hi guys, namaste. Very good evening. Today we are going to learn how to take Trifla for the stomach related issues. So what we do is we take one glass of water and we put it into the pan and we switch on the gas. After switching on the gas, we just take one spoon and Trifla. So we take one spoon and Trifla and we take Trifla almost equal to maybe this quantity, one small teaspoonful, and put it in the glass. Keep the Trifla back, let the water boil. All you have to do is boil the water. Once it is boiling, you have to put it into the glass. The purpose is the Trifla can be taken in multiple ways. Trifla taken at night in the way with the boiling water, it actually clears up your entire stomach. People suffering from constipation, people suffering from various skin ailments or various stomach ailments, those kind of ailments are being taken care by Trifla taken in this manner. And there are multiple ways and multiple things with which Trifla is being taken. Trifla taken in the morning has a complete different impact on the body. In the morning when the Trifla is taken, it should be taken with the jaggery. In Hindi we call it as gur. So Trifla taken in the morning is one spoon crushed jaggery. Just mix the jaggery with the Trifla, and in the morning empty stomach take the Trifla. That will basically fill up your deficiencies of various vitamins, minerals, nutrients, other things in the body which are actually missing in due to the deficiency of which your body is suffering from multiple ailments. You can say, maybe ailments related to the skin, ailments related to the eyes, ailments related to the hair, scalp, your baldness, your hair falling. Multiple kind of things are being taken care by taken Trifla in the morning with the jaggery. So that form, if the jaggery is not available, you can use honey also. So mix one spoonful of Trifla with 1 or 2 spoonful of honey and take it in the morning. So that taken up in the morning causes complete different kind of impacts. Trifla taken up in the evening this way, when you have the boiling water and you take 1 glass of Trifla, one glass of water with 1 spoon of Trifla causes complete different impacts. Now ensure that you are taking Trifla 30 minutes before you sleep, and at least 1.5 hour of gap should be done after food. Normally, if you want to sleep by 10 o'clock, the right way to do is you should be finishing up your dinner before 6:30. So 3.5 to 4 hours of gap before you sleep for the food is the best way. Food, basically, when you take it in the mouth, you have 6 glands in your mouth which immediately gets activated and produces the alkaline enzymes to assist you in digesting the food which you are eating. You are chewing it very, very, very well, and along with that, those enzymes which are alkaline in nature mixed with your food basically helps digest. And once that food is chewed very well, made in the form of a paste, then only it should be swallowed in. Once it is swallowed in, it basically goes through your throat and goes through towards your left side where the stomach resides. And stomach has 3 layers. Once you start eating something, your stomach automatically starts producing the various acids to burn that food. Just imagine a scenario that you are trying to cook maybe some kind of soup, and you have all the ingredients but you don't have the fire, so the soup won't be cooked, right? So in that case, similarly is the functioning of the body. Unless you do not have that fire element, unless you do not have that acidic element in the stomach, the food which you are swallowing will not get digested. So once you eat, that food is digested for almost half an hour to 1 hour in your stomach, and then with the severe vibrations of the stomach, it is passed on to your duodenum. Duodenum is like 12 inches of small tube which connects your stomach to your small intestines, and duodenum also connects your liver, gallbladder to your intestines. So it stays, the food stays in the duodenum, where the various enzymes from liver and pancreas comes in, and they help absorb the protein from there, and after that it moves on to your small intestine. From a small intestine towards your large intestine, it goes up into the ascending colon, then transverse colon, then descending colon, then rectum, and then it is finally thrown out. So basically, any food you think it might be delicious, you eat it thinking that it is delicious, it might remain on the tongue for hardly less than a minute maybe, and that is all where the taste buds remains. Once the food passes on through the valley, it's completely not discriminated by the stomach or the entire body in terms of taste, size, color, anything. It is the same for the entire body. Any bad food eaten up, it might give you a taste for a minute, but your entire 6 feet body will suffer for up to 72 hours also. That is the complete cycle in which it takes to bring out the food. So now water is boiled up, and what we are doing is, the boiled water, we just put it into the glass. So here is your Triphala glass. Mix it very well. Mix it very well. The glass will become hot because the water is very hot. So we hold it with a paper and mix it very well. Keep on mixing it. So this ways, let it wait for a few minutes, and after that I'll show you how to, cool it down to get the best effects of Triphala. And this is how you should be taking Triphala. So now when we were talking about the food stuff, so any food which might seem you very interesting, very tasty, very delicious, it might give you that taste for less than a minute on your tongue. There are 4 different taste buds on your tongue which are in less than 1 inches of the size of the tongue. So the time duration during which the food you will be able to taste would be less than a minute, and after that it is all treated the same. Difficult food becomes more difficult on the body. For the taste of 1 inch for 1 minute, your body of 6 feet has to suffer for 72 hours. It's very complicated process, and that causes the entire problems in the body. The stomach system or your digestive system is one of the most important systems of your body. Any problem in that system basically causes multiple problems across the body. Sometimes you might have the problem in the feet, and you might be going to the various different kinds of doctors for the feet, or you might be having the ailments in the skin. You may be visiting various dermatologists, but once your stomach is really well cleaned, you will figure out that most of the ailments have started disappearing. Before you sleep, 30 minutes before you sleep, you take the Triphala in the fashion which we are doing, and this basically will clean up your entire stomach very nicely. Triphala is nothing but a mixture of 3 of the simple vegetables. If I name them in Hindi, I remember the Hindi names. Harad, Baheda, Amla. And the ideal way of doing it is the ratio of the Harad, Baheda and Amla should be 1:2:3. So 1 should be Harad, 2 should be Baheda, and 3 should be Amla. Amla is nothing but gooseberry. So all those 3 things mixed together and taken in this fashion will clean up your entire stomach, clean up your entire digestive tract. Triphala is said to be taken care of almost 148 different major diseases of the body, but ensure that it is habit forming as well. So if you want to take Triphala, ensure that you are taking 3 to 4 times a week, maybe 5 times a week, but at least on the weekends or 2 days of the week, you should skip it, so that the body always remembers the memory of functioning on its own. It is not a harmful thing, it's not a problematic thing, it's a very, very, very beneficial thing, one of the most important pillars of Ayurveda. Now, I mean, to cool this water down, since this is too hot, all we do is take some cold water. I mean, just take the tap water. So water is hot, the Triphala water is hot, the glass is hot since it is a good conductor. Now heat is radiated outside. So what we do is we put this glass into a cold water pan, and that way is what will happen is the entire heat will be dissipated into the cold water, just like that. Okay, so now we are doing it. We again mix it very, very, very well. We do mix it. So this actually is cooling it down. The entire temperature of the Triphala is dissipated into the glass. Since metal is a good conductor of heat and electricity, so again that is passed on to water. Water is a good conductor of heat and electricity. So that entire Triphala inside gets cooled, the equilibrium of the temperature. We do not have to let it get completely cold. All we have to do is bring it to the lukewarm temperature so that we can drink it. Okay, it seems like little drinkable. Done. Beautiful. One more important tip I wanted to give, guys, that when you take the Triphala first time or second time, this way, the way we have taken up, it may be a possibility that in the morning you might face diarrhea. And if that happens, treat this as a very good symptom, because any of the things, any of the food, stale food which was a stick on your intestines, which was a stick on your colon, which was like completely difficult to go, Triphala is taking care of all that stuff, and it is taking all of that food out, making your colon, making your intestines extremely, extremely clean. So that food which is a stick on the walls of the intestines is going to get cleared up in the form of slight diarrhea, and need not to worry at all if diarrhea happens in the morning. You are in a very good shape. That's a very good symptom. It means your stomach is cleaning up. So good luck, guys. Anybody who has this ailments of the stomach, constipation, indigestion, any of those kind of stuff, any of the things in the stomach, any problems in the stomach, this is the way to clean up your stomach. And the moment this stomach is cleaned up, you will figure out that multiple ailments of the body are being taken care. Thank you, guys. Namaste. Bye bye.